Hello, we're going to be looking at arc length. So here's a circle, and we're looking at, this is like a fraction of the circle, this is the sector, and then this is an arc, and how long it is called the arc length. Okay, so the arc length is a fraction of the circumference. Now, if we know the central angle, we can figure out the fraction very easily by saying that the fraction is always the central angle out of 360. Okay. So the fraction is always the central angle out of 360. And then, so the arc length is the fraction of the circle, the circumference. So arc length is fraction of the circumference. The fraction is n degrees out of 360. The circumference is 2 pi r. So here's our formula for arc length. So arc length equals n over 360 times circumference, which is 2 pi r. All right, so it's as easy as that. Let's do an example. Here's our example. The central angle is 120 degrees. The radius is 5 centimeters. So we always start off writing your formula. Arc length equals the fraction of the circle, of the circumference. So the fraction is n out of 360 of is times circumference is 2 pi r. So then the n, the central angle, is 120. So we replace n with 120. We replace r with 5. So step 2 is replacement. And so we get 120 out of 360 times 2 times pi times the radius, which is 5. And that simplifies to give us, you don't actually have to do this step, it simplifies to give us 10.47198 centimeters. And that's it. Okay? So your formula, arc length, is a fraction of the circumference. The fraction is n out of 360. Circumference is 2 pi r. So it's n out of 360 times 2 pi r. Have a good day.